Hello, in this video, I will explain to you on how to solve this problem. Okay, let's read the question first. How much tension must a cable withstand if it is used to accelerate a 1400 kilogram car vertically upward at 0.70 meter over second squared? Okay, because this is a physics problem, we need to draw it, right? So we will have a car here. Let's draw a car. Okay, I will have my car like this. Okay, and then it will accelerate it by a cable upwards like that, right? So this is the cable, and maybe it will goes there like this, and it accelerated upwards and upwards with an acceleration of a is equal to 0.70 meter over square seconds. And then the mass of the car, okay, the mass of the car, that will be 1400 kilogram. Good, but the car here has the weight, right? So let's just write the weight here as Fw, the force caused by the weight, and that will be the mass times gravitational acceleration, right? And then in the upward direction here, we have the tension of the car. Let's name that as Ft, the force of the tension of the cable here. Okay, and we can just use the Newton's second law, right? So the net force is equal to mass times acceleration. Good. And we are looking for the tension, right? So the tension is this one. Okay, the tension goes upward, so it is on the positive direction. So I will have Ft here, but then we also have the weight forcing it down. So I will have minus Fw. And that will equal to the mass times acceleration here. And so we will have Ft, but here we will have the force of the weight is equal to mass times gravity. So I will have minus mg, and that will equals to ma. So we'll have the force of the tension. We will have ma plus mg. Okay, but then we have all the values, right? So we will have our m here. We also have our a here. And we know our G is 9.8. So our G is 9.8 meter over square second. And now we can just plug the numbers in. So we will have 1400 multiplied by the acceleration 0.70. And then plus we will have 1400 multiplied by 9.8. Okay, for this one, maybe let's use calculator for that one. So I'll have 1400 times 0.70. Okay, I will have 980, and then we will have plus, that will be 1400 times 9.8. Okay, I will have 13,720, 13,720. And then this will be our final answer. What is Ft? We can just add them up, right? So we'll have 980 plus 13,720. And that will be 14,700 Newton. Okay, and that will be the tension of the cable, Ft. Okay, and I think that's all for this problem. This is our final answer. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.